Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Ed Scraps. I am your host, Ed, and today we are tearing apart a ceiling fan for copper and any other kind of material we can find. I started recording this before, so this part was stripped out a little bit, but it was complete, but I forgot to hit the record button, so here we are. So I didn't get too far before I realized it. Anyway, so I was stuck on this screw because it's stripped out. So taking the Dremel, trying to make it wider here so I can fit a flathead in it. That should hopefully be deep enough. Yeah. Oh my God, I hate flatheads. Yeah, this is going real good. Right. Wow, this is really turned out to be a pain in the ass. It's just a screw. Why is it so hard to get out? There we go. Alright, let's see. Now that part's loose. I'll tell you guys, it really is hard working with this one hand. This other one works, but only half as good as it normally does. There we go. Metal. Metal. Oh, that's nice and dusty. I see copper in there, but see if we can get it off. Let's see if I remember right. I think I've got to take this part off as well. Yeah, I think that is what we got to do. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. That comes out. The other one's attached to the motor. Get that one in a minute. Let's strip that out. Alright guys, I'm getting back to the flow. Getting back to it. been a minute, guys, like I said before. I haven't scrapped in quite a while. Alright, now these pieces are usually aluminum. Let's take them off and see. There we go. Getting the rhythm. Almost there. That is disgusting. Oh yeah, that's the good garbage goodies there, huh? Gotta love it, guys. These are all metal. This should be, oh, yeah. And hold on, we gotta put another thing on there. They keep exploding. This is a cheap piece of crap. Not meant for this. But that's what I got, so that's what I'm using. Right? Work with what you got, right? Bust a piece off there. I'll probably go through all these. Trust me, I am working on getting a full-size angle grinder because this stuff is not going to cut it too long. It's good for like little stuff, you know. This ain't for no full-blown. Full-blown scrap action. Just want to put it on there to make sure those are aluminum. I'm like 98% sure, but always double check because you never know. Yes, that is aluminum. I don't know if you can actually see that. Yep, there you go. That is aluminum. These screws should not, yep, nope, they're not. The screws are not. So when we get them, usually just break off the ends and try to keep the cast aluminum, because that's cast aluminum. I get more money for that. The weather's kind of crappy today. I'm trying to set up an outdoor scrap area too, that we could do outdoor scrapping because the weather's starting to get nice. a little shed in the backyard where I keep a lot of my scrap that I'm not working on. I like to set up a little table out there and we can do some outdoor scrap action. Screws are in there. Let's see. Oh, I think I found the thing that takes this off. Yeah, there we go. It's like, oh, buy something weird. Oh, that's that freaking screw that I freaking I think it's all metal anyway. No, that's aluminum. Figures. Let's see what we can do with that. Alright, let's see if I can take this bottom off. It gives us a little bit more room here. Is that actually holding anything in? Oh, there's that pain in the butt one. All right, let's see if I can get it now. Wow, these things really do not want to freaking stay together. Why are you fighting me? The whole time. Stop fighting with me. Ooh, that'll wake you up. Tell you what, son. So try to drill out this screw that gave you such a hard time. Earlier here. Because this piece that I'm drilling is aluminum. I'm trying to make it clean. Drilling out all this metal, which I don't think these are metal screws, drill bits. Smashing my hand. I don't need 2 broken hands. I think they're all wood drill bits, so that's not going to work. I don't know, I'll figure something out. Worst comes to worst, you could always put it in for dirty. Come on, why is everything fighting me today? All right, let's try this again. Yeah, I'll tell you guys, my hand's killing me, so I'm gonna try to finish this one up. All right, almost. Some of these screws, you gotta be a little persuasive. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to call it quits for today. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, normally this would be a whole lot easier. There we go. That may be cast aluminum right there. Some sort. Oh, hell no. That's very metal. Yeah, definitely metal. Scrap metal. knocked your head. Sorry, Mike. I had to take that one from you. I like it. Alright, so that's all cast aluminum. I can't get this side out. Don't know why. I don't have a big enough thing to cut it out, so that one is going to have to be passed up. Unless we figure out how to get it out later on. Alright, let's see, is this copper? It sure looks like it. This one's going to be interesting. I see how to get it out. Maybe we can just cut it out. So I can get access to that other side. As soon as I figure out how to pop it out. Oh, wait a minute. I got an idea. So I'm going to try to smash this. There we go. That part. Okay. So I think that part's metal and this part's cast, but I need to get it apart so I can get this motor out. Now we can cut on one side and then just pull it out the other side. Gotta get it off of this thing first. Let's see. Smashy, smashy, more action. Okay, let's see. So it looks like it just like pops off, but oh wait, there we go. I think it's coming. There we go. It's just one hand here. There we go. Got this thing spinning. Aha. She unscrews. There we go. Now that was a pain in the ass. bet you that unscrews. I am going to try to unscrew it. Yep, seems to be working. Heck yeah, there we go, that's what I'm talking about. Persistence, perseverance will get you to where you're trying to get to. And that's all aluminum, cast aluminum, baby. There we go. Steel. There. Here. All right, now let's see if we can get this copper out of here. Hands hurt, guys, but I'm trying to finish this video. Perseverance. There it is. There. I would like to cut that. I don't know if this thing is going to hold up. It'll make it easier. A lot easier. Ooh, that hurt. I don't know if these are left-handed. We're going to attempt a left-hander. That. There you go. That is all copper. Yep, that is all copper. I don't know if y'all can see that very well, but that's some good stuff right there. So I think I just found a pretty easy way to do this. All right. Sorry about that, guy. That's my heater. Hopefully it's not too loud. I am in my that's where my heater's at, where my shop's at. Part of it. I have another part of the shop that I'm working on getting together, but it's a filthy mess right now. So. I'm going to try to put one of these grinding belt wheel things back on here and see how long it lasts. Because to do that by hand, it's going to take a while. With my hand all messed up, like it wasn't hurting so bad. I would not have a problem putting that by hand, but as I get older, I'm learning to work smarter, not harder. Sometimes a man or a woman's life, they gotta slow down, you know? That's where I'm at. Alright, let's try this, see what happens. good. Got through like butter, man. Don't really want to breathe this copper dust if you don't have to. Son of a bitch. That didn't last too long. Try this different kind of bit. I don't know if it's going to work any better. Well, let's try it. Alright, so hopefully this bit will work better. Because if not, it's going to be a long afternoon. Alright. Pay attention what you're doing. That should go bad real quick. Be careful. Proper action. Hey, once you get it cut, man, that stuff whip right through that stuff, man. Nobody's business. Woo, that heater's hot in here today. Copper action. Yeah, that's a pretty good amount of copper right there, bud. Bowl's getting, jar's getting full there. Alright, let's do it again. And the rest of that's just, it's just steel. Get that copper out, and then the rest is just throwing your steel. Except for this piece, probably metal too. Yeah, bearings and shaft. All right, going in again. You don't see that okay? Yeah, that copper is hot, guys. Watch out. Oh yeah! Love me some copper action. Yep, all copper, man. All copper. I got these little plastic like inserts. Them things are sharp, man. Watch out. Eyeballs open. always be around your aware of your surroundings. There we go. That's how you scrap out a motor for a ceiling fan. All right, guys, have a good one. See you next time.